Hi, David Vo here from IT Junkers. I'm just unboxing the TP-Link wireless router. So this is the 300 megabit per second wireless and ADSL2 Plus modem router. So the model number is TD-W8961ND. So if you are thinking of getting one of this box here, and then this is what you're going to see inside the box. So it's come with a plastic wrap. This modem here is fairly cheap compared to some other ones. Here's the box. So you can see here on top there's a software CD. This is a resource CD. Then there's a quick installation guide. Come with the CD. You get the power adapter. Come with the device. Here's the ADSL2 Plus splitter filter. So this basically plug into your phone socket, allowing you to use the phone and the internet at the same time. Here's the main unit, the modem. I'm just going to unwrap the plastic bag as well. So here's the actual modem itself. And back here you can see there's the model number. And this other ID. So here's the power button, the reset buttons at the back here as well. There's the 2 ports for the antenna. So there's 2 antenna that plug into the modem. So you can just turn the antenna around just like this. And there's a telephone cable. This is the RJ45. And here's the networking cable as well that comes with the modem. So this modem costs around $30 Australian dollars. And it comes with all this device. So it's fairly cheap. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more video tutorials.